back the fuck up.
You need to back up.
Hold on. You don't need a
back
fucking
up.
cab.
Fucking hit her!
We'll be going over what is called unarmed civilian protection. This is basically where community members see themselves as part of the solution. So some of the skills that we'll be going over today are situational awareness, verbal and physical de-escalation, and a whole range of tactics and methodologies that are grounded in a nonviolent approach to dealing with conflict.
So we really want to recruit volunteers who are familiar with the communities that they're serving.
Be aware of who you're dealing with too, because sometimes you don't know what that other person's thinking.
Yeah.
And sometimes you need to let it go and not allow your ego to trip you.
We are the ones that keep us safe. We can't leave our safety to others, but also we need to be able to build bridges of support and solidarity across communities.
What I'm looking for at this point is people to commit to keeping their fellow New Yorkers safe, right? Whether you volunteer formally or informally and you do these trainings and you realize, oh, there are things that I can do as a New Yorker.